Hello, my name is Igor and I'm here to present for you my Wiki project for project 1 for CS50W 2020. So let's start with the specification of the project. So first one, we need to visit /wiki/ the title of our entry, so CSS, my first entry. So here we have the page, CSS. The markdown is already on HTML. If we put here an entry that does not exist, like my name, Igor, we receive this request error. Okay, so let's go for index.html. So here we just have to have the list of all entries. So here is the list, and the names should be clickable. So if here we have this page, if we click here we have this page. Okay, so search, let's do it. Let's go home again. So if we search for Django, for example, we go for Django's page. If we go to CSS, we go for CSS page. If we put just a part of entry title, we should be present with a list of all entries that have that string on the title. Okay, so if we click on an entry's name, we should go for the entries page. Okay, let's go for new page. Click here for a new page. So here we can put a title. So let's put my name, Igor. In the text area, we should put Igor is a nice guy. Okay, and save it. We are redirected for this new page. If we put here the name of a page that already exists, like CSS, just put anything here. The entry already exists, so we have this error message. Okay, so now this new page is saved here, and if we click it, we go for this page. We have the edit page. So if we click here Django and click edit, we go for this edit page. So here we have the title, and here we have this pre-populate text area, so we can add it here. Okay, we'll be able to edit this. So let's change here the application and save it. So here we have the edit, right? And we are redirect for this Django page. Random page, so if we click here, we should go for our random page, so my page that we already created, so HTML. Okay, and we have all the pages with the markdown conversion, so all the pages have this markdown conversion to HTML, which is very good. So this is my project Wiki for project 1 for CS50W. Thank you.